Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new airdrop called Catizen. It has just been launched and has been live for 3 months. We hope that in a very short period of time, it will provide great value. Now, you can start earning free money with this airdrop. If you don't have Telegram, you can find the Telegram link in the description box below. I'm showing you this for your benefits. This is all part of a new project. But now it's old. You can also invite your friends to get more points. Subscribe to the channel to receive more updates on airdrops, new coins, trading information, crypto news, and free signals. I will show you everything without saying much. If you don't understand something, you can join my Telegram channel. I will discuss it with you in detail. After that, if you need more details, then you can tell me in the comment box, and I will tell you through the video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and happy earning with Wave Wallet. Subscribe to my channel for more updates like how to exchange your coins, how to connect your wallet to airdrops, coin mining, etc.